Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing bolt.new versus Lovable versus Replit. So if you don't know what these three are, bolt.new is an AI-powered, browser-based platform developed by StackBlitz that enables users to build full-stack web and mobile applications using natural language prompts. It offers real-time code generation, editing, and deployment without the need for a local setup. Now, Lovable, on the other hand, is an AI-driven app developed platform that allows users to create full-stack web applications by describing their ideas in plain English. It generates front-end, back-end, and database code with options to export or host the code on GitHub for further customization. And lastly, Replit is a cloud-based integrated development environment, or IDE, that supports multiple programming languages. Its AI feature, a Replit agent, assists users in building applications from natural language prompts, offering code suggestions, debugging, and deployment capabilities directly from the browser. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with bolt.new here. So the pros of it is that it has a real-time in-browser development with no local setup required. It generates full-stack applications from simple prompts, and it integrates with tools like Supabase and Stripe for extended functionality. Now the cons of it is that it is primarily focused on web applications, limited support from other platforms, and may require technical knowledge for advanced customization. Now Lovable, on the other hand, the pros of it is that it transforms natural language descriptions into complete web applications. It provides editable source code with GitHub integration, and it is suitable for both technical and non-technical users aiming for rapid prototyping. Now the cons of it is that it may not handle highly complex or specialized application requirements, and it is a relatively new platform, and the community support and resources may be limited. Now let's go over to Replit right here. And the pros of Replit is that it supports a wide range of programming languages in a browser-based IDE. It facilitates real-time collaboration and instant deployment, and it offers AI-assisted coding to streamline development. Now the cons of it is that advanced features may require a subscription, and performance may vary depending on project complexity and browser capabilities. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Bolt if you're a developer seeking a quick browser-based solution to build and deploy full-stack web applications using AI, especially when integrating with tools like Supabase and Stripe. And you should choose Lovable since it caters to users who prefer a natural language approach to app development, offering editable code and GitHub integration, making it suitable for rapid prototyping and customization. And lastly, choose Replit since it serves both beginners and experienced developers looking for a versatile, collaborative, and AI-assisted coding environment accessible directly from the browser. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.